Let's go on an adventure into music history. It's the Composer Chronicles from Dynamic Doodle.
Hello, I'm so happy you're here with me today. My name is Ravi Shankar and I'm here to take you on a musical journey through my life. So gather around and let's dive into my story together. I was born on the 7th of April 1920 in the beautiful city of Varanasi. Any guess where that is? It's in India. I was born to a family filled with love and lots of music. My parents, Ravi Shankar and Hemangini Devi, were both musicians. I also had three brothers, Rajendra, Uday and Rajan. We were an energetic group of boys and I loved to explore and was very curious. Well, that curiosity got me involved in music at a very young age and I grew a special love for it. I want to take a moment to introduce you to something truly magical, the sitar. Check out this beauty. This is not your average musical instrument. No sir. This is a kind of a guitar, but with a super long neck and a whole bunch of strings. Have a listen. I decided at a very young age that I wanted to become a sitar master. And I journeyed far and wide across India to study with a number of incredible sitar teachers. Along with my mastery of the sitar, I also became a very accomplished composer. I brought a really cool blend of Indian classical music and modern elements to the world. Yes, the world. In the 1960s, I became a cultural ambassador and was able to introduce the Indian music to the West. In fact, I was able to collaborate with some big-time Western musicians. Most notably, I worked with George Harrison from The Beatles. This led to some groundbreaking compositions that merged Indian and Western musical traditions. This both popularized Indian music in the West and created a new genre known as world music. Aside from these super awesome stage performances, I also composed music for films, ballets and orchestras. Throughout my composition career, I received numerous awards and honors, including Grammy Awards and India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. I am remembered as one of the most influential 20th century world music composers. I lived a wonderful and a long life, but on December 11, 2012, I passed away in San Diego, California at the age of 92. I left behind a legacy as a composer and a sitarist. My works continue to inspire musicians worldwide, emphasizing the transformative power of music to transcend cultural boundaries and touch the human soul. Go, have a listen to some of my music for yourself. Thanks for joining me today. Goodbye and happy music making.